Good morning, my friends. How are you today? When I left the house this morning, I noticed that it's getting cold here in Almaty. I think we're about to start a new season. I think summer is finished, and now we've made it to fall or autumn, when the leaves start to change colors and they fall to the ground and the air starts to get a little bit cool and we start to get ready for winter. I like fall. I like to see the leaves. I like to feel the cool breeze. I think fall is a very good season. Now, we're counting down to something. Do you remember what are we counting down to? Something exciting. Something that happens in 6 sleeps. The first day of school in school. That's what we're counting down to. In 6 more sleeps, you and I will be here at school together. I'm so excited. Let's take a look at our calendar for this morning. All right. We know that the red box goes on our date today. Let's see if you can remember how we say the date. What day is it today? Days of the week. It is Tuesday. What month is it? September. And what is the date? The date is the number for today. It's the number 8. So we say it's the 8th. It's the 8th day. And what is the year? Big, 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 2020. So let's put our sentence together. Today is... Oh, I forgot to change that. Miss Trish forgot. Today is not Monday. Today is Tuesday. Today is still September, but maybe I forgot the date too. I did. It's not the 7th. It's the 8th. And the year is 2020. Today is Tuesday, September the 8th, 2020. Looks like Miss Trish was sleeping yesterday when she fixed this. Sometimes even teachers make mistakes. And that's okay, because you know what? Mistakes are when we learn the most. Pretty cool, eh? All right, my friends. I hope you all had a great time at your special lessons yesterday. I can't wait to hear all about it. You'll have different ones today. You're also going to have a very special reading time this afternoon. And I'm going to send Mom and Dad some stories that you can listen to and you can try reading on your own. All right, my friends, I am going to see you very soon. Bye for now.